anything can be an antenna. Anything can be an antenna whether you want it to be, and sometimes some things are antennas when you don't want it to be. An antenna is just a point of radiation. Antennas can be circles, squares, lines. They can look like inverted Fs, like the letter F. They can be poles, they can be helixes, they can be whatever you want them to be depending on your situation. And each antenna, with its different shape, has different properties that could be utilized for those different scenarios. So a patch antenna radiates outwards in a very even manner, while let's say a PIFA antenna may radiate outward more of a donut shape. But more importantly than that, different antennas react to their environment differently. So when you want a radiating antenna that you know nothing's going to be around it, you choose an antenna according to that situation versus an antenna in a handheld product that's near someone's face or always held around while they're walking. Every antenna has a radiation pattern, the way it actually, I would say, spews outwards the radiation. And understanding that radiation pattern helps you understand where to place the antenna. In some cases, radiation pattern isn't important based on whether you're indoor and multipathing or outdoor. I think it's a very creative process when it comes to designing antenna for these situations. What helps us with those challenges are modern software tools such as CST Studio that I'm currently using, where we can represent those entire environments in one simulation and then get an output accordingly. So I think 3D simulation basically opens a door. It opens a door to unlock new methods and new design strategies that you previously could have not done beforehand. You can really break the boundaries of creativity with how you can fit something in a place maybe it shouldn't have fit in before, or someone told you 20 years ago that's not possible, but you can make it possible today through simulation, because now instead of waiting months or years to prototype that really weird antenna design, you can now just run it over and over in a simulation until you can get a result that looks good. I've had my hand in many different simulation softwares through my undergrad and master's in school, and I wanted a program that not only was easy to use on a user interface level, but is deep enough that it is as advanced as those other advanced technologies. And I felt CST was the perfect marriage of both those specifications. I love CST because it helps me develop and enhance my skills as an engineer and specifically an antenna designer. I can think freely and design in a creative manner that allows me to make very intuitive designs and creations in the future, which not only will further my career as an engineer, but the products that I help make as well.